Good morning, everyone. This is Teacher Joanna, and I will be your teacher in mathematics. Okay. Now, before we start our lesson, let us first have this drill. So, everyone, 3 divided by 3, 6 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3, 12 divided by 3, and 15 divided by 3. Everyone, all together. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. And 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Again, 3 divided by 3, 6 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3, 12 divided by 3, and 15 divided by 3. Okay. So now, everyone, we are going to talk about the proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed numbers. So what are we going to talk about? Proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed number. So I want you to know that fraction is a numerical quantity that is not a whole number. So what is a fraction? A numerical quantity that is not a whole number. So what is a numerical quantity that is not a whole number? It is the fraction. Do you understand? Okay, so today we are going to talk about the types of fraction. Okay, the types, we have 3 types: the proper fraction, the improper fraction, and the mixed number. Okay, so, but before that, I want you to know that when the numerator and denominator have the same value, the fraction is equals to 1. Now, teacher, what is this numerator and what is this denominator? When we say numerator, this is the number above. Okay, the number written above is the numerator and the number written below is the denominator. So remember that if the numerator and the denominator have the same value, then that fraction is equal to 1. Okay, so let's proceed to fraction with numerator is smaller than their denominator are called proper fraction. So the first type of fraction is the proper fraction, wherein proper fraction is written or known as when the numerator, the number above, is smaller than the denominator or the number below. Example, 4/6. Okay, so what is the number above here, or what is the numerator here? 4. What is the denominator here? 6. Okay, so 4/6 is an example of proper fraction because 4, the numerator, is smaller than the denominator, which is 6. Do you understand? Okay, can you give me other examples of proper fraction? We have 1/2. What else? 3/4. What else? 2/5. What else? 1/3. Okay? Remember that if the numerator is smaller than denominator, then that fraction is called proper fraction. Okay? So next we have fraction with the numerator bigger than the denominator are called improper fraction. Okay, now the complete opposite of proper fraction is improper fraction. Remember that if the numerator is bigger than the denominator, then that fraction is what we call improper fraction. Do you understand? So example is 10/6. Okay, so 10, the numerator 10 is bigger than the denominator 6. Okay, so always remember that improper fractions are fractions wherein their numerator is bigger than their denominator. Do you understand? Okay, very good. So the next one is fraction made up of a whole number and a proper fraction is called mixed fraction or mixed number. Do you understand? So the last one is the mixed number or mixed fraction, wherein mixed number or mixed fraction is made up of what? A whole number and a proper fraction. Okay, it is composed of what? A whole number and a proper fraction. Example, 1 and 2/6. What is the whole number here? 1. What is the proper fraction here? 2. 2/6. Everyone, when we say proper fraction, remember that the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Again, mixed number or mixed fraction is composed of a whole number and a proper fraction. So those are the types of fraction: the proper fraction, improper fraction, and the mixed number or mixed fraction. Wherein proper fraction is when the numerator is smaller than the denominator, and improper fraction is when the numerator is bigger than the denominator, and the mixed fraction or mixed number is made up of a whole number and a proper fraction. Do you understand? Okay, very good. So I have your question. What is proper fraction? Proper fraction is when the numerator is smaller than the denominator. That is proper fraction. So if the numerator is smaller than the denominator, then that's what we call proper fraction. So what is improper fraction? Improper fraction is when the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So when the numerator is bigger than the denominator, what fraction is that? That is improper fraction. Very good. So what is a mixed number or mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is composed or made up of a whole number and a proper fraction. If the fraction is made up of whole number and a proper fraction, then it is called mixed number or mixed fraction. Okay, very good. So what did you learn today? Today we have learned about fractions and the types of fraction. Fraction is a numerical quantity that is not a whole number. Now, the types of fractions are proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed number or mixed fraction. Wherein proper fraction are fractions that the numerator is smaller than the denominator, while improper fraction, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. And the mixed fraction or mixed number is made up of or composed of whole number and proper fraction. Now, if you really did understand the lesson, let us proceed to your practice exercise. Okay, so here is your practice exercise. You're going to answer focus page 228, and here is your evaluation. Answer take a leap, letter A, page 228 to 229. Now, don't forget to answer your practice exercise and your evaluation because I am going to check it. Do you understand me? Okay, very good. So, here is your assignment. Answer make meaning, page 230. Now, don't forget to do your assignment because I'm going to check it as well. Do you understand? So, thank you for listening. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.